SPG invests in research in three primary areas: genetic improvement, agronomy, and processing and utilization research. We make investments in these areas that are multi-year in scope and look to create a balanced portfolio between investments that improve on-farm productivity of pulses, but also work to increase market demand for pulses internationally as well as here in Canada.
It can vary from disease resistance or herbicide resistance to molecular work in terms of finding markers. So it's anything that falls into the class of genetics and aiming at improving the crops themselves. Basically, improved agronomy practice is a really vital part for the grower. So that has quite a short-term sort of impact on the grower. You know, what are the current issues going on with the grower that we can apply investments to and come up with advice or outcomes from the research that can be directly applied in the improvement of agronomy with the grower.
So the main goal of agronomic research is to empower farmers to grow pulses in Saskatchewan in a more efficient manner. Some of the main issues that we see in lentil production are disease and weed control. So there is a need for SPG, which we are investing in more technology at the CDC at the plant breeding levels to bring new varieties that will have built-in tolerance to different herbicides. This will give farmers better options for herbicide usage.
Our end-use processing and utilization research really tries to determine how and where pulses are the best fit within commercial food products, and to communicate the results of that research to the food industry in order to create more high-value markets for Saskatchewan pulse growers. An example of this type of work is a project that we funded through the Canadian International Grains Institute. This is a 4-year project looking at how pulse flours can be best utilized in commercial food products.
The Chinese people that are making vermicelli noodles in northeast China started to use yellow peas from Canada. So basically they extract the starch and make noodles and package them in all different ways.
There's interest from a number of food companies, both in North America, Europe, and even globally in other markets like China, of increasing the use of pulses. They recognize the health benefits, the nutrition benefits. In many cases, companies tell us that they're sold on those benefits of pulses.
So nowadays, the vermicelli market is purchasing some 500,000 tons a year of yellow peas from Canada, maybe a little bit from other sources, but mainly from Canada, and they seem to be quite happy with how they work.
This research is really aimed at supporting our marketing and promotion efforts in this area. We fund health and nutrition research so that we have marketable information that we can go out to food industry, food companies, and also target to consumers to a certain extent as well.